Outstanding design defines the 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power convertible roof, and one-touch window functionality. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.